Washing your hands with just water can't make them truly clean. Remember to wash your hands with soap.
People of Ghana, this is a simple hand washing machine manufactured by Gambopat Engineering, where all metals surrender. A gentleman is ready to demonstrate the machine. Please have a look at it. As he pressed the paddle, the liquid soap came by itself, and the next paddle brought the flowing of the water. He washed his hand gentle and carefully. Yes, it's a simple machine. That is all. Then he pulled the tissue and then cleans his hand. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for one, you just contact us. Gambopat Engineering, where all metals surrender. Thank you.
Washing your hands with just water can't make them truly clean. Remember to wash your hands with soap.
For truly clean hands, always wash with soap.